In this video, I will discuss how to use article style landing page for your dropshipping store to increase sale. So this example has been taken from one of the most popular and $1 million brand named Blissy. So you may see some of their ads everywhere, maybe in Facebook or Instagram. So they are using this format where if you are reading this, it looks like it is an article, but what they are doing, they are driving their traffic to their product page. Like when people clicking those check availability button or clicking those links, this will redirect them to the sales page. So if I click on check availability, now you will find that there is a sales page. So you can do the same into your Shopify store. They are not using Shopify, but we can make something exactly similar with Shopify, and in this video I will show you something similar, how we can make a article style landing page just like them. As you can see, this is the page that will be remade using a drag and drop page builder, so you don't need to know any single line of code, and I will be guiding you step by step after building 200 plus landing pages inside Shopify, and also I will share with you how you can get those ready-made templates. So now let's begin with the tutorial. So before starting the tutorial, I would like to give you a chance to get those templates like these article style landing page templates or the sales page templates from Blissy, as well as another advertorial templates. As you can see, these have been similar looking sales page just like Blissy is using. So what you can do, if you purchase those templates, you can get these templates, put your own product images, text and everything, and link this particular sales page like this check availability button, or link those text into that particular sales page where people will come and purchase that products, and these are very high converting style landing pages. So if you are seeing Blissy and you wanted to implement exactly same in your Shopify store just like them, then this is the golden opportunity for you to up and running your store within a 24-hour. So you will get 3 templates just like Blissy, and all the details and purchase link only for 30 USD will be given in the description. Just click that link and purchase those templates, as well as I have many more converting Shopify templates like 10 high converting templates, and also templates from successful Shopify store like Blimy, like conversion wise templates. All those templates you can check this out. The link on all the details will be given in the description. Now we will be getting started by building the page that we will be talking about. So now let's get started. So after installing PageFly, where to find it? So you just need to log into your Shopify store, and then you can see this is our Shopify dashboard looks like. Then we need to click on apps, because PageFly page builder is a Shopify app. So we need to click on the apps. Then we will find out all the apps that we have installed in our store. In my case, it is showing me 3 installed apps. In your case, it could be 1, it could be 10 or more. So we are just interested in working with PageFly. So I'll click on PageFly page builder, and this will load the PageFly dashboard. And in some case, in your case, it may ask you to do some settings like enable it into your Shopify theme if you are installing it for the first time. So if you are seeing any notification in that area before the dashboard appears, just click those notifications and then just turn the settings on. If you are using PageFly for the very first time, unless everything will be okay, so don't need to worry about it. Then you can see there is the pages thing. So I will build the pages that you have to build just like Blissy, the article based advertorial page to increase the conversion for our Shopify store. As you can see, as we explained in the intro of the video. So this is the page, or this is the layout that will be copied, and I will explain you step by step what process actually goes into making something like this. So you can build it for yourself, or you can purchase the templates that we already talked about. So now let's get back to the video. So click on the pages, and you will find in your case it is blank, but for my case there is many pages that are already built into that store. But for this, in your case, it will be 0 if you are installing PageFly for the very first time. So click on create blank page, and then they chose the page type. So there will be a few page type. There is a regular page, there is a home page, there is a product page, something like this. Actually what that means is it actually defining the actual URL of your Shopify store. For example, if I just give you a short explanation of it, if you go to your main online store, like online store, and then go to the themes, and you will find all the details there. So let me show you what that actually means, the pages type. So if I click on preview, I can see the preview of my store. So if I click on get the templates, and you can see preview templates, you will find that in the URL it have /pages /PageFly template master pack. So if you are using regular page, it will have pages, then / then the page name. And if we are using it a product page, it will replace the default product page for that product. But as we are making this advertorial page, we need a regular page, because it will be a URL with /pages / your page name according to your product. Just like Blissy gives gift, in your case it could be same /pages / gifts. Okay, so this is a quick intro about it. So now let's close it and click on create blank page, click on regular page. Okay, then the canvas of the PageFly opens into our editor. Then we need the actual works actually begins. So now let's cover this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the thing. First of all, in the top section, what Blissy does, they showed that this secret holiday sales ends in a couple of hours. This is called fear of missing out, FOMO technique. So people whoever visiting the page, it actually already starts going backward of the 5 hours every time you visit the page. Okay, so for example, if I visit the page again from an incognito mode, you will find that it is same. It is starting from 4 hours 47:29 seconds. It should be 59 seconds, but my cache is being tracked, so it is just reducing the time from the 5 hour. So this is the thing here. So we can make exact same type of countdown, and you can see save 55% and get a free $30 gift card. So the page this actually does is not selling the product, is making it like an actual article. It shows you the pillow is quickly becoming the must-have holiday gift. It is targeting that particular holiday season. The article that it has become, this pillowcase has become the must-have holiday gift. So people know that it has been one of the coolest or the essential holiday gift that we can provide to our loved one, to our family and friends. Okay, as you can see, the copywriting, if you are reading the copywriting, it is showing actual benefits or the change this product will bring to the customer life. If you go through all the copywriting or the points they have actually listed, it is near 10. Okay, it is near 10, as you can see. So this is fantastic. So now let's get back to here. So now this is our page, and first of all, how PageFly work, click on add element, then go to layout and then drag and section here. Okay, then as you can see, they have a background color and they have using a font. So what the font, the design or the font that we are seeing here, it is a font like this one using Oswald font. This is Droid Sense, but I will use Oswald and Poppins. 2 types of font is good enough for a store. So what you can do, you can go to this option okay, now let's click on the section. So you can see we have click on add element and go to layout. What the layout actually does, it shows us how many columns or section we can take for that particular design. So drag in one section here, go to section, go to styling, and then what we can do, we can go to the background color and put a background color. In that case, you can click on this extra section and delete it. In that case, the section have a black background color if you see it. Okay, now let's talk about the font selection. So go to styling and then go to this area called font family, and under that you will find I already have loaded multiple fonts, but in your case there will be no font loaded. So you need to click on this setting icon and then search for your desired font. If it is Oswald, it is Oswald. In my case, Oswald has been taken. So let me for example take Acme. For example, you are using that font, just select the font, check mark it, then click that particular arrow and then click select, and now this font will be available in under the drop down. As you can see, Acme is under the drop down. In our case, you will search for Oswald and you will search for Poppins. These 2 fonts, you will check mark them and bring them under that particular drop down. So the task is completed about choosing the fonts. Now let's get back to the design. Okay, so now first of all, you can see this is a headline. Okay, this is a headline, and with an icon. Okay, with an icon. So now how we can add that? So for to add that, you can just go to the headline and drag this headline with an icon. Okay, then click styling and content color should be white. Okay, should be white, and then click on this headline, then go to the drop down, choose the font, it is Oswald, then the font family is 18, that's perfect. And the margin, every time you take a headline, you take a paragraph, make sure you make the margin 0, because by default they give some margin which actually does not work properly. Then go to the icon, go to general, and then you can choose whatever icon you want. In that case, this icon looks like some tag or sale tag or something like this, tag or sale tag, something like, as you can see, this one actually perfectly represent that. So let's take this as an icon. Okay, perfect. And then click on the headline, go to this, and then go to that, and then let's choose this to 20 pixel. Okay, choose this to 20 pixel. And secrets holiday ends. Okay, okay. Secrets holiday ends, something like this. Then go to styling, scroll down, and for the font, let's click on select setting, take it light, make it light, or make it regular. Okay, let's make it light. And as you can see that the particular area of this is actually bold and another is not bold. So for this, we will go to the general and then click on the heading and then drag this area and make it bold. Okay, now this looks perfect. Now let's talk about this countdown thing. Okay, so for the countdown, you can click on add element, and if you scroll down, you will find an option called countdown. Okay, option called countdown, and for that we'll take this one under the headline. Okay, you can see this looks good. This looks good. Okay, now for this, let's go to countdown. Let's go to general, on specific time, on never, every hour. Okay, every hour, countdown starts on every visit, every hour and time. Okay, okay, and specific period, specific, not specific time, we should go with specific period. So it will be 5. Okay, 5, something like this. And you can go on more setting, and then you can show day, you can hide it, only hour will be showed, and that is perfect. 4 hour 59 minute, something like this. Okay, that's look good. Now click on that countdown timer, go to styling and scroll down and make it Oswald. Okay, make it Oswald, make it 18 pixel, and then go to make it 10, and let's go to countdown, go to general, scroll down, and then show hide, show hour, show colon, show second. Okay, something like this looks good. And for few more setting, we need to click on that, and then go to countdown, and then scroll down, hide if inactive, more setting, show week, no week, show day, no day. Okay, show minute, it should be minutes. Okay, 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 okay. So now where is the actually I'm looking for I'm looking for okay, so this is in the below, so we are not saying the level. So go click on that and then choose the white color. As you can see, it is there, but as it is black, we are not able to see anything. So choose Oswald. Now it is perfect. Now click on this column, go to styling and make it display flex. So what it will do, it will bring all the elements together just like that. Okay, then align items center, justify content will be center as well, and then go to the countdown and let's give some margin from the left just like this, which will be good. And for padding, let's make it 0. That's look good. And for mobile, what we will do for mobile, if you see that design as well, it is there. And for heading, we can decrease it to something like 16, 14, and same goes for the headline. Let's make it 14. Countdown level, let's make it 14 as well, so it aligns in one single line. And for countdown, for the margin, we can reduce it to only 8 or 10 for mobile. Okay, so this will look perfect. This will look perfect. Okay, this looks good. This looks good and very close to their design, right? So that's good. Now after making few changes, one of the things you need to do is to click on save and give this page a title according to your product or according to the product name, like whatever title they give. What is the title they have given here? What makes Blissy the most popular pillowcase in the world? Okay, so what makes Blissy the most popular pillowcase in the world? Okay, that's good. And then after save, it will only save, it will not be published. For publish, we need to click the publish button, so the page will be accessible and page will take a URL in our store. So if I click on publish, you can change the URL. The title could be anything and page URL could be anything like gift, just like Blissy used, like gift. It could be anything, could be anything according to your product. So click on publish. Title is something, but the URL is something. So that's how you can change the URL and publish the page. So we have completed the first step, is creating our very first section into PageFly. Now let's start with the second section, which is this one, save 55% and get a free $30 gift card. In that case, we have a background color. So if I right click on my Chrome and inspect, we can see what the background color they have used. So in that case, this is the background color, as you can see. So I can go to that and then click on add element, click on layout, and in that case it will be one single layout again. So drag it under that one, and now you can see there is a row has been taken, and inside that row there is a section from the top. Click on the section, go to style, and then just paste the background color. And now we have another headline, and for this headline I think it was 18 and it is more or less like 14. So same things, go to add element, go to headline and drag one headline inside that, go to styling, and first of all let's make it 0, and this headline will be Poppins. I am using Poppins and Oswald, the combination of these two, and the font size will be 15. Go to general and then paste it here, go to section, then go to styling, make it 0, go to heading and then make it center, and then you could go to mode setting and then make it medium. Okay, now you can see this how it looks. If I want to reduce the space more, we need to click on this row, then go to general and then scroll down, and you will find something called column spacing. So you can see now the space has been reduced as much as you can see. Now you can go to section and just paste some padding here like 5 pixel. Okay, and that is good, and now it looks more compact and more something like they have. And if we go to styling, we can increase the font size a bit more. We can go to more setting and let's make it semi bold, okay, to give it a particular look just like they have. So it looks perfect. Now we have next section, which is this area, and then scroll down, click on this and then choose this color to black. Okay, every time click on the add element, go to layout, drag and add a section here, then go to add element, take a headline here, drag a headline just like that, and just like before we'll make it 0, go to general and then just paste it here, go to styling and then make it in the center. And what we will do, we'll what we will do, we'll make this to Oswald also, so make it Oswald, and let's make this font to 40 pixel. Okay, and let's go to this. This is the must have gift. Okay, so you can see must have gift. Okay, fantastic. Now we have 50, and now go to section, go to general, and then just make it 1050. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. So now it's looking perfect. Now if I don't want that much space from the top, I can go to style and make it 0, make it 0 again also. So no issue with it. Then we have a paragraph. So click on add element, go to paragraph, drag a paragraph under that headline, go to styling, scroll down, make it pop-ins again, and let's make the margin 0. Then we can give some margin. So if we see this design, just drag something like this and then go to general and paste it here, go to styling and then give some margin in the top, in the bottom. Okay, and then we can go never sleep on anything else, never sleep on anything else, and then just styling and then okay, that's good, that looks good. But if you want to make some part bold, we can go to general and never sleep on anything else. We can drag that and make it bold just like did we before in the top section. And if we scroll down, then we have a headline again with the I think same it is 32 and it was 40, I think, yes. So you can click on it and then we can just duplicate that headline and drag this under that paragraph and then paste it here and then go to styling, make it decrease to 35. Let's make it 35. Okay, let's make it 35. Good, good. Okay, scroll down. Okay, now let's give it an arrow. So I'll go to icon. Okay, icon, and then under the icon you go to styling and make it center align and then give it a arrow icon. Okay, arrow icon. Okay, arrow icon. So let's give arrow icon this one. As you can see, something similar to that and something similar to that, not exactly the same, but you get the point. And then let's make it 15 pixel smaller, something like this. And if you see this arrow icon, what it actually does, it is redirecting them to this section, right? So okay, so now we will cover this, how to add that. Now we come to that particular section. So now let's come here and let's click on add element and then click on layout, then take 2 column section under this. Okay, now you can see this is the section we have taken, and for that section we have a left an image and the right this is the text we have. So we will discuss about it. So now let's click on add element and then go to as you can see they have a background color. So I'll go to inspect and then I think this is the same background color. No, this is not the same background color as we have. So this is the background color that they have used, I think. So what is the background color of it? Let's take that. Okay. So this is a background color. So I'll go to this row, then go to styling and paste that background color. Okay. Now click on add element, go to image and drag that image, go to general, click on select image and then upload the image that we want to upload. So in that case, this is our image. These are some of the image that I will be use. Any image according to your product this will be used here. Okay, so just wait for the image to be uploaded. So now use that image. Now let's click on this raw and then remove the spacing so it looks perfect, something like this. They have, now we have 2 1, this text is bigger, the rest is not. So how we can achieve something like this? So in that case it is more than 60 pixel, but the other part is not big. Okay, not that big, it is 26. Okay, it is 26 but it is 60. So it is very easier to do. How? Let me show you the powerful thing about PageFly here. So click on it, go to layout and scroll down and take a block here. Okay, go to styling and give some blocks, some padding top and bottom. So go to add element, click on headline and drag a headline here, and remember that we can give one headline h1. So in that case I will click this heading and go to general and make it h1, and rest could be h2 h3, something like this. Okay, and go to styling, then make it 0 margin. First of all, as we discussed, every time we take a heading or paragraph in PageFly, we'll make it 0. Go to Aswald and let's make it 60. Okay, then make it 1 point, something like this, right? They've used a different font, but we are making consistent with Oswald for headline and then Poppins for paragraph. Very easy. Then click on add element and drag another headline under this headline and go to styling and make it 0, right? Make it 0. Go to the drop down, choose the font to Oswald, make it 35, right? Make it 35 and it was 60. Now let's make it 80 and let's make it 30. Okay, good. Now click on this block here, go to style of that block. From the top bar, this is the top bar where you can go through block, column, row, section, something like this. Go to there and then make it display flex. Okay, then align items will be center. Okay, then items will be center, and items will be flex and okay. Okay, then we can go to styling, and then what we can do, we can make this line height to 80. Okay, 80 line height will be good for this design, for this purpose. Okay, I think. Okay, so this good. So now as you can see, we're getting some vibe, something like this. Not the same, because as I told you that these are not same design. Okay, now let's make it bigger. So let's make it 40. I think, yes, that will look good. Like 36 will look good with it. Okay, and let's give this a little bit margin from the left, like 5, and let's click on the column, and as you can see that it is not in the side of it. So we'll click on that particular column that is holding those text, go to margin and then give some margin here, like 15 to left, 15 to right, 15 to right. That's good. Now we have a paragraph left. Okay, same paragraph just like before. So we'll copy all of it, and then we can copy that particular paragraph and drag it under that headline. So go to left side, make it left align, and then paste those headline. And then we need to, if we need to give some space, give some enter here, just like that, and then it will be good enough to go. And if you see that design, what is actually happening here, their image is covering that. So if we see that headline, it is 18 pixel. In our case, what is our headline size? It is 20. So let's make it smaller. Okay, so yes, custom, yes, object fit, custom contain, custom original. Okay, so click on the row and then make it center align, something like this, right? And in your case, if we see that website, when people click on this BC pillowcase, which is underlined, it is redirecting them to the original sales page, which you can get when you purchasing the template spec, you will get that as a ready-made template. This one is a ready-made template. Okay, as we already discussed. So now you can see it is already ready. But if you see in mobile, this is how it will look. Every time image will be in the top, then the this section will be in the bottom. So one section is ready. Now if you check the mobile version of it, many things will not look good, many things will not be perfect. So click on the headline and then make it 16 is good. You can even make it 14. Then go to raw, and again we have to release the design here, and for this it is perfect. And for the headline for mobile, I think 35 will be best, and for this we will go with, if the pixel, it is 4 pixel higher, and for this we will also go with 16, and for this we will also go with 25. That will look much better. And for that row we'll do the same, decrease it, and then we'll come to that particular column, and then we'll make it padding top something like 10, and bottom is also 10, 15. Okay, 15 will be good. Okay, that's good. Now let's click on the headline, make it I think 20, and for this let's make it 650. 50, then it will be 50, it will be 50, and then the line height will be 56 to match it properly. And for this let's make it 16 also. Now it is more than perfect, right? It is looking good and looking perfect. And now if I go to that area, give some margin just like this. So, and now we can paste this icon to that particular section. So if people click on it, it will scroll them to this section. So this looks perfect. Now we'll do that. First of all, let's click on this row and then duplicate that row, because this is the same design, only the difference is it will be in the left and it will be in the right. So the next row, for the next row we'll click on styling, and then we'll go to the margin and give it, I think 20 will be enough. For that row, go to general and swap the column just like that. So everything is changed. Now just change the content to 2, 3, something like this, and then it will be same goes here, duplicate that and drag that under this one, and for that let's make it 20 again, right? And for this one have to be done. Let's click on the mobile view and you will find the text is in the top. That should not be the case. You go to styling, go to display flex, and flex wrap would be wrap reverse. So the image showed first and the text showed next. Okay, that is the format we will follow for the whole page. The same format will be followed. Okay, same format will be followed. Okay, and now for that section benefit starts. So you click on the section, go to more setting and make this section name section benefits starts. So we can identify that. For if we go to the icon, go to general and click on click action, scroll to section, we will choose this section benefit start. So if I click on save and publish, you will find what this actually means. Okay, what is actually means. So let's check it. Okay, so if I click on the live preview of this store, we can hide the header footer. So if I click on that particular icon, you can see it is scrolling me to this section. So this looks good, but I think this can be 16. Then this will look better in the current format. I think this is my preference. I don't know what are you thinking, but I think this is looking good. And for that we can click on this column and give some margin, more margin, like 20, that will be best. Same goes here, click on that, go to column, make it 20, that will be best. Go to that column also in the third place, make it 20 and 20 also, right? So this will be best. And for if you want to remove the header footer from your theme, right, if you want to do that, what we can do, we can click on the page more setting, page setting, and then disable this header and footer. Click on save, and this will change the this will save the changes here. So click on publish. So click on publish, and if we click the view live page, we will find out that the page has been changed. So if I click on it, now you can see the header footer is no more. If I click on the icon, it is scrolling me to that section. So now you can see it is perfect, and the text is also looking perfect to me, right? So now let's click on this, and now let's fill up the rest of the content. So contents is different. As you can see, there is 10, 11, 12 of them. Okay, 12. So you can add as many as you want. It could be 15 as well, it could be 6, whatever you want. So now we need another one here. So drag, duplicate, and drag it under this one, and same goes here. Click this section and drag it under this one. Okay, so now let's change the content. Like it will be 4, it will be 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will be 5. Okay, it will be 5. So that's how it will goes for the rest of the page. Then we have a headline and a heading and some section just like that, right? Some section just like that. And as you can see, these sections is on the top of the sticky bar. So how you can add that? So to add that, you can go to that section, and then what you can do, you can make it enable sticky top. Okay, you can do the same with that as well, and then you just need to click on select the section, make it enable sticky top, and then just do that, just publish the page, and let's see what it happens. So while publishing the page, you can also use the shortcut Ctrl Shift S to publish the page, or only Ctrl S to save the page. So this keyboard shortcut is also a time saving process. So if I refresh the page now, this how it looks actually. It is just getting weird. So we'll not make it sticky, we'll make only one section sticky. Okay, then make it Ctrl Shift S again to make the save the changes. One section at a time is perfect. So now let's refresh the page again, and we'll find only the top section will be in the sticky area. So that is better than the previous one. So you can see it is looking good. So okay, so that's perfect. Now we can move to the next sections. Like this one is also very easy. You can do same like the top, add a headline, then this one is also, and then there is some images. So you need to take a section, then fourth section, and add those images. And this one same like this, take a block and then add those contents here. Okay, and then there is a button, and then there is some reviews. Okay, so this is very easy to do. And then there will be some slideshow element here available. You can add a slideshow just like that. So click on add element and you will find slideshow, that means testimonial. You can add a slideshow just like that, which will be slided. All 4 is not showing together, it will be slided, and you can add a button here, and it will be redirecting people to that product page, to your custom Shopify product page. In your case, they does not have used Shopify, they have used a different built-in function, I think so. If I am not mistaken, yes, they've used a different custom coded solution. So we don't need to use it, we can make exactly the same using Shopify. It is actually not Shopify, they have you custom coded the whole website, so you don't need to, because you can use Shopify for that. And you can see this is how their page looks like, their sales page, and under the offer you will get that sales page, under the template you will get the sales page for completely free if you purchase the templates, the digital product that I have developed for Blissy theme. You can get it and install the same like them into your Shopify store. So I hope it is actually, I think WF, I don't know, it is seems like WordPress or something like that, not sure. Okay, so this how you can make a article based Shopify landing page for your Shopify store. So if you enjoyed that video, please do smash that like button, and also subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comment as well. So thank you very much for watching the video.